to let it go. And if it's so obvious, just let it show. Come on, don't let me down. I'm right here for you. Keep looking up, don't you frown. There's so much more to do.
I realize I'm actually not talking so much in this vlog, so why not? Let me talk. So yeah, I am going to the store to pick up like skin care stuff. I don't know why that is hard to pronounce, but regardless. Yeah, I realized that my face wash is done, like period. So I want to go to the store then pick up my lunch and I'm back home. That's all I'm doing. I have to come back and edit videos, so I'm going. Can't you see, I'm wearing my curly hair, my wavy hair. If you know me, I'm a straight hair girl. Since I got this, I've really not rocked it, like, rock it. And today I'm like, okay, I'm just going to throw this band on. It's also brown. The hair is brown. It's giving a lot of brown today. My feet is giving brown. So yeah, let's go. I just want to order my ride. It's 10:18 and today's a Thursday. I think I am on track. I've not had breakfast yet. I might stop by to eat something. Might. I'm not sure, but let's see. Guys, let me show you guys what I got from Ebano supermarket. That's what it's called in Lagos, Nigeria. Anyways, I got this Johnson's lotion. I've never tried it before, but it looks like it. I usually don't use lotion, it's just baby oil I use on my skin. On my AirPods. This simple micellar face wash. This is not one I usually use, but I tried my friends when it was nice. So I was like, okay, try it. My St. Ives exfoliating body wash. Then my Dear Body shimmer body mist. First time I'm trying this one. I usually use one without shimmer. Then I got bread. I got this bowl because I don't have like a proper bowl to eat. I just have like normal flat plate. That's all I got. Then my laundry. Let me sort that out real quick.
No need to give it up, just need to let it go. And if it's so obvious, just let it show. Come on, don't let me down. I'm right here for you. Keep looking up, don't you frown. There's so much more to do.
You sound like you're an actress with so much aggression. Is that Avery or Brianna? Avery.
Yeah.
Okay. I wanted to know who was talking because we both sound alike.
But now I held this penman and now it's gone. You have to know because you holding it. I definitely
Angry.
I'm not.
You're not? Okay.
A cake. You want to buy a... Oh, I want to choose a cake. Can I choose a cake?
My lord, this is my first time coming to court. I'm a Christian, and I just want to say one thing. My client is guilty. Thank you, my lord.
Now come on, you get sense, have you no get?
I get sense. I be Christian. I know they lie. I know they lie.
They caught you, no
Forget
one
all
lie.
this. Nah, don't they lie. I know they lie. If I want to defend, I defend you.
I don't see how
You do am abi you no do am.
I don't see how when
You
they
do
do
am abi
when
you
they do affidavit, you
My
go
lord,
know.
they are threatening my life. They are threatening my life.
You go know. You go there see when they do
My lord, if
affidavit.
anything should happen to me, oh my clients.
soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought, that's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older, done my thinking, me and you. Guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. My secret sauce, ooh, in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
Gloss that, love it when you toss it back, love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track, so off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss, yeah. With my new bitty, she ain't let my it's off yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this, all snap. Now you getting time out, cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you call lacking. Now I'm next door, at the party while you jaw jacking. You know it's Rashad, in the rarest and the raw fashion. I'm still trying to figure how this all happened, huh?
You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
You know this ain't time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space thinking